Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. It's much easier to manage the GoPro's battery life with spare batteries and external charger. It means you can be charging one or more batteries while still using the camera. Yes, in this video I'll be unboxing GoPro extra batteries and external charger. So let's get started. Here we have the pack, and packing is quite good here. And let's open the pack, and here we have a pouch and batteries and another 2 batteries. Altogether 3 batteries and 1 pouch we have here. And let's open this pouch and let's see what we have here. Yes, I think charger. And let's check out this one. Yes, we have the charger, and the Probty brand is embedded there, and 3 indicators. And the back side we have Type-C charging port and the LED indicator, and quite good build quality. And let's see this. Here we have door, and let's open this one. And here we can see 3 slots at a time. We can charge 3 batteries. I think it's a charging cable. Yes, we have a Type-C to USB charging cable. Let's see the extra items we have here. Let's take this first battery, and they have given a free battery canister, so you can store your battery in a safe way. And let's unseal this, and let's open this battery case. And the packaging is quite good again. And let's check out this battery. And here you can see Probty battery, and the build quality also is quite good here in this battery as well. And class 10 battery, and the plus and minus are indicated clearly here. And here I have my GoPro Hero 8 black, and I'm going to open the battery compartment here. And let's check out the GoPro Hero 8 original battery. And here you can see the GoPro Hero 8 original battery. And let's keep this battery here, and let's fix the Probty battery here. Yes, and let's fix this. Yes, here, fix, and let's tight, and let's turn on the cam. Yes, it's working fine. It's quite good. And let's power off, and let's keep the GoPro Hero 8. And here we have the pouch, and nice leather pouch, and you can tie up here, and you can open like this, and you can keep your charger. And you can fix your battery 1, 2 and 3. And let's fix, yeah, that's nice. And now let's see our charger, whether it's working or not. And I'm going to fix the Probty battery in this first compartment. And let's close this, and Type-C charging port in the back side. I'm going to plug this. Yeah, the first one is charging, another 2 are idle, and is working. And the back side you can see the LED indicator, blue light. And here I have a GoPro Hero 8 original battery, and let's test this one. And I'm going to fix on this second compartment. And let's close this. I'm going to fix USB. Yeah, the second one is charging. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you will be get notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.